Z-Tech BD.
Hello, this is Z-Tech BD from Filmora Tips and Tricks tutorial. Today I'll show you how to quickly and easily convert a movie to an Mp3 file for free using Filmora. We have the audio, you need to acquire things like background music or sound effects from videos.
Installing a free video or film editor is the first step. Version has no limits on how many audio files you can export. In that case, if you have two more, you may test it out without spending anything by clicking the link here or in the description box below. Make a remark and join the discussion if you're new to Filmora. You may now download it. Community began well. Therefore, open Filmora after installation and import the videos. The ambient sound is just what I need. So after I get the clip added to the timeline by clicking the addition sign here or by dragging it onto the timeline, you want to get the audio from by choosing Import Media here. The last step is to export them by clicking the Export tab at the top, choosing from the new window that appears, and clicking Export. If you're using the free version, a message stating that you must register in order to export videos will appear. There's your file. However, since you're exporting audio, that won't be a problem. However, since you're exporting audio, there won't be a problem. All of your videos can now be converted to. This is how simple it is to convert video to in all the audio formats, utilizing Filmora. Okay folks, be amusing and tell us in the comments what the most bizarre thing you've ever recorded is.
Z-Tech BD.
If you have any tutorial recommendations, please let us know as well. We'll see you all again soon, so please
Z-Tech
like and subscribe.
BD.